a video?
Yes.
Oh!
A video? Oh, what a tricky.
Oh, you're taking a photo. So
Yay!
At the Highland Pass when, you know, they get really mad and then they start honking.
Gangwon-do, Jeongseon.
Yes.
We finally made it.
Yay!
Only like, how long? Freaking 4.5 hours drive? Finally arrived at the pension cottage. They call it pension in Korea. It's very pretty. In the middle of nowhere. Oh, hello everyone. Yes, this is the tour. It's very quaint. It's full, that is a lot of food. Aww, that's so sweet. Is that weird?
It's cold! You ready?
On our way to, what is it called?
I끼계곡.
I끼계곡, Moss Valley, which is kind of why we're here. And we may have found it. I think I finally figured it out. It's called Moss Valley because there's moss.
Yeah.
Got it.
Now? Finally?
Smart guy, bring it. Moss Valley, and look at all the moss. So much moss. Yeah.
Moss plus.
And oh, I see what you did there, and I liked it.
You're a man of your words. Yay! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Another chuck.
Quite cold in there.
Free hug. It's time to go home. Yay! I don't want to go back to work tomorrow. Oh. Sorry, guys.
Take care. I'm just filming.
This is a video.